photo shoot tomorrow, and I bought these Wrap-a-Locs. I want curls. To be honest with you, this is the size so far. I bought medium, and you know, I kind of was thinking more big curls, but I also want to try these. So I bought 2 packs, both medium, so this size. If I am successful and I do get curls, it's gonna be like really short, which I kind of wanted length, but it's okay. Let me just do a demo. We're trying it with their spray. It does smell good, so that's a good thing.
It says apply holding spray liberally to hair from roots to ends for definition, then proceed to roll, wrap, twist, braid, and set into desired style. Allow hair to air dry or sit under a heated dryer. It says that it's formulated to preserve your hair moisture. It builds body, clarifies curls, adds shine, and control frizz. Use this spray to create curls, spirals, waves, braids, and twist on all hair textures.
20 comes in a pack, so I have 40. I don't think it's enough. That's just me. So I may have to use something else. If I have to use something else, I'm gonna take out the back and put something else in the back, and then use these Wrap-a-Locs in the front. So I'm coming to the end, and my ends are loose still, so I can just wrap it around and then slowly twist it up. Oh, it up. Can I go now? Twist up. Now what I've been noticing is I clearly don't know how to twist up because it's been getting baggy. I'm doing a better job in the front than I did at the back. I feel it. But I'm also doing, I guess, less on a rod. So when I'm done, I curl the end, then I curl the top, and then kind of just give it a bend. For me, the 40 didn't last, but again, it's probably because I have no idea what I'm doing, and maybe the second time around or whenever I try to use these things again, maybe I'll be better at it. So I did end up using some perm rods in the back, so this is what it's looking like. Now I am gonna go under the dryer for maybe about 45 minutes to an hour, then sleep with it like this. I'm gonna go where I need to go in the morning with my head like this, believe it or not. I'm actually gonna run in the mall looking like this. Too bad. I just came back from doing my nails. Look at that. It's cute. I am giving myself like less than 45 minutes to get ready and get out of here. I don't know what this hair is gonna look like. I don't know why I waited so long. So I'm just gonna start taking it down because I am strapped for time. Which way is it going? Oh, well, so far. So this is one of those. And then of course this is, I kind of like these, but it's okay. I think I'm gonna take this into the other room. Well, I will say this. These, I think these are called perm rods. These perm rods are a lot faster to come out when you're ready for them. And I really do love their curls. The tight curl, it's fine. It's just extremely on the tight side. So, I mean, usually I like to pull down, but I think I'm just gonna have to like unravel these ones because they're so skinny. So even though I'm unraveling foolishly, it's still coming out. So I think what I'm gonna do is do that because that's quicker. Come on. Because I have locks, I told these people at the photo shoot that I will style my own hair. I didn't have confidence that they knew what they were gonna do with the hair. Even though from the pictures that I've seen, I don't think it's neither here or there. What happened? Now, guys, I probably did a really bad job at wrapping these things. Why I'm struggling, because everybody says it doesn't tangle up, right? And I believe it doesn't. Obviously, you're being a witness to this tangle. I'm gonna come back when I have it all. Okay, so this is it with all of it out. All of it's out? Yep. Okay, I'm gonna have to do something real quick. So first and first, I have to separate them. I'm gonna put some oil. And I'm just gonna okay. Whew. I got 20 minutes to get out of here. All right, so all I'm doing, guys, is separating. Okay, next one. Well, the curls came out, guys. I'm not gonna say nothing bad about them. The curls came out. So from separating the back, this is what I got so far. Okay, guys, so this is like all the curls are out, all of them are separated, and it is a lot of curls. It's Curly Sue. I don't really have time to really do much with it, so what I've decided is I'm gonna grab this piece. I'm gonna kind of roll them. I'm just doing it as I said, and I'm gonna bring it over and then pin it, and literally that's what the style is gonna have to be. Yeah, catch him back later. All right, guys, so it's the end of the night. I just wanted to quickly end this by saying my final reviews on the Wrap-a-Locs. So, I don't know if you guys watched any of my other videos of me trying to curl my hair and the struggle. It wasn't so hard when I was newly locked, obviously, because my hair wasn't locked. However, now it's 3 years in, and I think by the second year, I was having issues getting these type of curls. I have done pipe cleaners, and yeah, they knotted in my head. These kind of knotted a little bit, but I think I was rushing, and so therefore how I was taking it out and how I was also putting it in probably was, you know, the reason for that. Going forward, I'll be a little bit more, hopefully I'll have more time, so therefore I won't go through that. But as you can see, this is the result, and I love it. Everybody was complimenting me on it for my photo shoot today, but yeah, I don't know what else to say. I thought it was gonna be a little bit too much. I didn't really get a chance to like decorate it too tough. Like, this is the most I've done in terms of decoration, right? Which is the diamonds, and that's pretty much it. I rolled this and I put it up, and there you go. But this is the full curls. And people, I was swearing by Lotta Body setting lotion, and I don't know why I stopped using it, but anyways, I think I was struggling, but this did this, and I'm feeling it, and I can't wait until a couple days where it actually drops so it's a little bit looser. But yeah, I thought I would hate it, but I don't, like, literally don't. Now this is not for everybody. I know that not all everybody is likes curls, and not everybody likes like curly Sue or whatever. I haven't seen these curls or this type of curl in a very long time. So like I have a bag full of stuff. But yeah, so these are the straws. And then yeah, so I just get a Ziploc bag and put them all in. So you see, white, purple, yellow. And then you have these flexi rods. And then I'm actually gonna throw these out because I used them one time. And the one time I used them, the knots and stuff that I had to go through, and my curls were very, very tight. If I could find a picture or a video of what my curls looked like at that time, I wasn't pleased with it. So these are garbage for me. For everybody else, I mean, you could purchase these at the dollar store. And somebody else was saying that, you know, in terms of like length, well, this is a medium, so they do have a large, and this is what medium did. So I will probably go back for large, but I'm happy with this. But you know, this is literally like, okay, if you have longer locks, then your pipe cleaner will probably be a better go for, if that makes sense. And they're kind of almost the same in terms of width and stuff like that. But like I said, I didn't like the knots. I'm not a fan of knots. So that's a no-no for me. That's garbage. These are my new baddies. So I just wanted to show you guys how I'm preserving it for the next day. All I do is, you're gonna just get all your curls to literally come to the top. I don't do it too tight. Literally just gather what you can. And I just do this one time. However you want to do it. This could even be a style. So kind of do it like that. If you want to grab and just kind of stick it in. Then you take a little nightcap and lightly put it over. I'll come back and show you in the morning how I take it down, and we'll see how long these curls last. All right, good morning. So I slept on it. This is what it looks like. Kind of looks like a rat's nest, see? So I don't wet it because I don't want the curls to kind of go away, right? I use my oil. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand. Rub it. That's a lot. And like just kind of like scrunch and release. What you're trying to do is just to loosen up the curls. Look, see? One of them is finally like, I had it, I'm gone. And honestly, this is not bad because our hair needs moisture. Our hair needs the oil, especially being locked. So putting my hand through my hair with some oil on a daily basis, I think is actually blessed. Now, if you're recently locked, don't listen to this because oil will loosen up your locks, especially if you have soft hair or hair like mine. Just put a little bit more in the front here. This kind of just like reminds me of loose hair, loose curled hair. But this is my takedown. And then, I mean, you style it however you want to style it. Once you're happy with the drop, the curls, the placements. They're just beautiful. This is day 3. So yeah, that's it. I loved it, and I'm totally a supporter. I can't believe it took me so long. Always be the
Oh.